I want you guys to see my t-shirt. It says Fashion Neurosis because this is what this video is about. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelyn and I'm back. I have a quick unboxing for you guys, and if you're new, please subscribe. To the returning subscribers and those who have been telling me to come back with more content, thank you for staying subscribed. So let's get into the unboxing. So I ordered from Net-a-Porter. It's going to be a true unboxing, not yet opened, still sealed. So you'll get to see my actual reaction to this, shipment. So this is the box and so this is the box, then the tissue, and that's the item that I got, a new addition to my collection, mazaza. Okay, it's just it's from Loewe, or it's a Loewe piece. And this, I must say, was influenced by Cassie Thorpe, if you know her on Instagram and YouTube. She's amazing. I've been thinking about it for a while. I think I saw it on Cassie last year, I think. So yeah, I decided to allow my fashion neurosis to make decisions for me. So it's just a leather box with the embossed Loewe anagram, and then inside is the piece and dust cloth. I think it also has the Loewe anagram, the anagram. I'm not gonna open it. And then this has like let me open this, a hook that you can clip onto maybe the inside of your bag if it's got a D-ring inside. And then let's get into the actual piece. This is something that I never thought I would ever own, but yeah, let's get into it. Ooh. Ha ha ha. So there is the pair, sunglass pair, and let me remove the plastics on the arms, and there they are, my new Loewe sunglasses. Comment below if you think they're twanela. I think I like them. I think I like them. Anyway, so they are a metal piece, gold, with a silver brow bar or something like that, this part here, and then the anagram on the sides, on the arms. And yeah, they are reflective. They're very reflective, you'll see. And yeah, you'll just see how I style them when I post pictures on Instagram. That sums up my very irresponsible but happy decisions. So yeah, that's my unboxing of my new Loewe sunglasses. I actually love them. Thank you for watching, and I am back. I'm back with content. I've been busy trying to find my feet in a new career, and I think I've done that. But yeah, from now on, I'll go back to creating more content. Thanks for watching. Bye.